Yes, my name is Simon Nepe. I'm from Braun and I'm a business development manager for the Middle East and Africa region, and focusing on pain therapy, so especially in regional anesthesia and vascular access. Yes, we have a hands-on training session about using ultrasound in regional anesthesia and vascular access, and we as Braun provide ultrasound system which really focuses on the needs of anesthetists during their procedures. Yes, the impact of Rare Health for our field is quite obvious. There's just no other event like this to meet all the partners in this region and to have so many people around at one place at the same time. Yes, we see the ultrasound adoption in Europe is going up to 90%, and we in our region here in Middle East and Africa, we will also have the same development into this direction, but at the moment we are not with 90% in ultrasound use during peripheral nerve blocks. We want to participate in the development of having ultrasound adoption like in Europe in our region.